Attention, new school district school policy. No phones allowed in the classroom.
But I use my phone to record the lectures.
No exceptions. All phones are banned during class time.
But...
No exceptions.
Oh, fuck.
News from the booth!
Hey, villagers. Welcome back to the Creator's Village. I'm Rick McIver, your village idiot. Obviously. It's back to school time. I have two kiddos that are in high school, and both of them are neurodivergent with different things, and they use their phone to take notes in class so that they can record the lecture and transcribe it later. However, I received this email at the beginning of the year.
All cell phones are to be powered off when the first period bell rings at 7:51 a.m. and may not be powered on until the final bell rings at 3 p.m. Cell phones should be left in lockers and carried in backpacks. There is no cell phone usage at any time during the school day.
This sucks for a lot of reasons. Using your phone to record isn't great, but it was the best option and most portable option we had. It was a lot better than when I was in college trying to record lectures on a little old tape recorder that jammed up. Sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't. You ran out of tape. So what are my kids supposed to do? The school says they can record the lecture using their laptop. Really? The tiny little laptop microphone that comes in these old-ass MacBooks? Come on. All is not lost, though. Have hope. We have a solution. That's better. It's called the Samson Go mic. I've already unboxed this. This is it. I bought this little microphone a while ago, and I wasn't actually sure why, because I had a travel mic. I didn't need this necessarily, but it was really appealing to me, and it was only like $30 or something. So I thought, give it a shot. You never know, you might need a little mic. Plus, I've got a problem. That being said, this little microphone is great because it clips to the top of your laptop, just like that. And you've got a cool little microphone. Let's test it out. Where's the cable? When you're done using it, it folds up in its nice little travel all-metal protective shell, like a little crab or mollusk or I don't know sea terms. But it's really protective and it's very durable. When it's closed up like this, it's not going to break. This is all metal construction. However, when you open it up, the microphone is plastic. Be aware of that. When you travel with it, close it up like this, and it's fine. When it comes down to it, it's just a little USB mic, but it's versatile. It has a couple of features that, for mics this size, don't typically have. Put that back here, plug this in. Let me show you. This little microphone is actually very versatile. You can use it for a lot of things. I mean, whatever you use a normal USB mic for, you can use this. In fact, I'm using it right now. The audio you were hearing is the audio from the Samson. This is what it sounds like. You can use it for Zoom. You can use it for Discord. You can, record little videos. You can record the lecture. It's just a really versatile little mic because it has a multi-pattern pickup switch. It has a cardioid pickup pattern. It has an omni pickup pattern, and this one in the middle, this is just a 10 dB pad for the cardioid setting. It's not a studio quality mic. This is not a broadcast microphone. You're not going to use this to record voiceovers for some sort of commercial. However, let's do a few of the tests that we normally do. This is the front of the microphone. Pizza is perfect with pineapple on top. That's how that sounds. This is the proximity effect of the microphone. Wow, it's really blowing out. Okay, so this is when you would use the 10 dB pad. And now when I'm using the proximity effect, it's not blowing out. I'm right up on top of this microphone and I've still got okay levels. We're gonna switch it back though. Now we've switched it back and we're going to do the off-axis rejection. Talking into the front of the microphone, 90 degrees off to the side of the microphone, and behind the microphone. The off-axis rejection isn't so great with this little mic, but that's okay. Let me show you what Omni sounds like. Okay, now you've noticed that the gain has jumped quite a bit. This is omnidirectional. Front of the microphone, side of the microphone, back of the microphone, pretty much all equal. And the front of the mic has a little LED. See, if I'm clipping, it'll turn red. It's been turning red a lot lately. So I think we need a bigger space to test this out. Something like my living room. It's a little bit bigger. It's not really treated, but it has stuff in it, so kind of like people in a classroom. And it's got space so that I can walk over there like I'm far away from the microphone, like in a classroom. So as close as I've got without being in a classroom. How many times can I say classroom? Whew. I'm going to leave the laptop here, recording, pointed away from me, right about there, so you can see what's going on here. I'm going to go stand over there like I'm a lecturer. Now I'm about 15 feet away from the laptop, and that's the audio that you're hearing now is from the laptop. I'm not going to really boost this in post because I want you to hear what it sounds like and the volume levels so that we can get an accurate representation between the laptop mic and the Samsung Go. Speaking of, and here's the Samsung Go. In cardioid mode, the microphone is facing me. The side with the light is this pickup side, the other side is the rejection side. So I've got it turned that way so it faces me. This is what it sounds like. I'm talking in a normal voice, kind of like in a classroom setting. How about this mode though? And now we're in Omni mode. I've switched the Samsung Go to Omni mode so it's picking up equally in 360 degrees. It is more room tone, but there is a gain boost. So if you need more gain, this is how you get it. Speaking of gain, let's make one more switch. And now I've turned on the 10 dB pad, which means I've taken away 10 decibels. I've padded a little bit so it's much quieter. In fact, you might not be able to hear me, so I'm going to boost the gain right now. And it should sound similar to the other cardioid pickup pattern.
Lightning round.
This is what the laptop sounds like. This is the Samsung Go in cardioid mode. And this is the Samsung Go in Omni mode. The laptop audio, the Samsung in cardioid. The Samsung in Omni mode. And that's the difference. The Samsung is able to have a little bit more volume on it. You can hear the room a little bit better. You can hear what the person says from farther away a little bit better than the laptop mic, because the laptop mic is meant for you to be in front of the laptop when you're talking. But here's the thing about the Samsung, it's not just better farther away, it's actually really good close up, because I'm using the Samsung to record this right now. It sounds pretty good. Because if you go to record a project and you're using your laptop mic, this is what it's going to sound like if you're trying to do that kind of narration with the laptop microphone. It's like the little Swiss Army knife of microphones. It's portable, it has a lot of uses, it's fairly durable, and it folds up nicely when you want to travel. But this I think you can take on an airplane. Yeah, that would be okay. The knife, not so much. I mean, it's not a studio quality mic, but for $34, it's a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Until next time.